Let's go.
Alright, y'all. We here with Pop by Grim, if y'all don't know. They call me Grim, aka Grim Reaper.
Let's go.
I'm doing a breakdown with my good man, donrondo. The song gonna be is by Migo Lee called CELINE. So we just gonna go straight into it. Alright. So let's do it. Alright, so to me, I went and did the drums on this. You know, my boy donrondo did the melody. He went crazy on this, you know. I like to go with the 808s and the kicks first, so I'm gonna do that first. My good man's chop 808. Yeah. Y'all already get the gist of it. We're gonna go with the kick. It's just a little copy and paste. I mean that's pretty much it. Y'all get the gist to it. I do want to say, but if there's anybody who is coming up, bruh, and trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, figure out their swag, you know, they don't know if people are, you know, messing with their beats and stuff, I say keep going. I strongly suggest, if you're a producer or an artist, keep going, bro, keep going. Like, just keep going. Somebody gonna fuck with your sound regardless. You just gotta keep going. It may not be tomorrow, or it may not be next week. You just gotta keep going. I'm telling you. Just trust the process. Everybody started from somewhere. If your shit ass, that's okay. Learn. Go on YouTube. Shit. Do some research. Get better. I'm telling you, this shit gonna come. But yeah. Alright, let's get further into this. Shit, we're gonna go with the hi-hat. Shit, I went with the single the little two-step. Little two-step, not much. Little two-step for real. Yeah, I ain't even get fancy with the hi-hats. Shit, yeah, and with the classic little DMV ride. Shit, y'all know it. You know, and then a little bay clap. Shout out to my man Jose, cause you know, y'all need to go check out his kit. That shit hard. Yeah, y'all see. Then I went with a little DP snare. Shit, y'all can find DP kits on Reddit. Y'all can find all the DP kits on Reddit. That's good sauce. That's good sauce right there. Now me, y'all could freestyle on this shit. Get creative. Me, I'm not gonna lie, I was lazy. I'm gonna let y'all know that. Just lazy. But y'all get that. Y'all get that. I didn't even do shit on this. So yeah. I don't know why that's there. Yeah, let's take that shit out. Y'all niggas, shit, y'all gotta hear this song. A little jingle bell, you know, good jingle bell Christmas jump. So yeah. And then we got a little triangle. Shit, you can find a basic FL triangle. Shit, for real. Shit. I'm gonna show y'all the sauce. I ain't gonna lie. I use a damn FL template. Y'all see that? Shit. Y'all see that? Shit ain't nothing special. Ain't nothing special. I put that shit on channel 1. On Mixer. I put it on channel 1. I'ma just keep it. I'ma be quick with it. Little channel 1. You know, I only put like this what I put. Some EQ, you know, another fruity EQ, some Valhalla vintage. I ain't gonna lie, this sauce right here, this shit is sauce. Y'all niggas need to stop fucking with that fruity reverb and get you some Valhalla vintage verb. Seriously. Alright, and then There's just nothing. It's just shit. EQ kicks, EQ the kicks, shit, equalize it, fucking turn your 808 down. You do not need to have your 808 fucking loud. I'm telling y'all, do not make y'all 808 loud because y'all are going to kill y'all artists. Your artists are gonna have a hard time hopping on y'all beats. Shit. Please don't turn y'all 808 up. You gotta listen with your ear. They gonna hear that 808. I'm trying to tell y'all. Shoot, and then little basic EQ. Like I said, this a template, y'all. Ain't shit special. This shit a template. This shit just made my life easier. God damn. But yeah, it just made my life easier. My fault, y'all. This shit, I had a call. My bad. But yeah, ain't nothing serious, bro. Like, shit.